I am going to talk with you real quick on how to clear your car and how it is so important to do this. Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. As we spend many hours within our car, from traveling to work to taking kids places, going on vacations, and think about as especially if you buy a used car on the owners that have been within that car. And I recently purchased a new car. This was something that came to me as I felt very sad to say goodbye to my old car. And even some of us call our cars names. So it was kind of like saying goodbye to an old friend or a pet. And thinking of all the time that we have spent and the energy that has stayed within that car. Another reason why I wanted to post this is a true story, and I'm posting this picture right here, as you can see, of a man on the screen of a backup camera within a car. And this woman actually purchased this at a car sales dealership here in the area that I live, and this man appeared. And she became very scared. Within about 3 days, she took this car back and they exchanged it for another car. So think of that. There could be many reasons why he stayed within that car and did not want to leave. And it was very scary for her. So this can happen, and this has happened not just with her, but other people, as there are stories all over about haunted cars. So I'm going to tell you a few tips on how to clear. And it's very similar on clearing your home. It doesn't take as much, as cars have windows, so there's always light coming through the cars. But it's so important to go within that car and use certain things to get rid of anything that should no longer serve it, no longer be there. And then we put some more positive energy back in. So what I recommend is smudging the car, and you can actually use sage, white sage, and I'll show you here. This is white sage. This has kind of a strong smell to it, so some people don't like it. And if you decide not to do that, you can use holy wood here. And holy wood is also very good. It's also called Palo Santo. It was used and still is used by the shamans and the Native Americans. Smudging as well. These have been rituals for many, many, many years. So using that to clear your car, you can also use an oyster shell, so that way it doesn't get all over your car while you're staging or smudging within your car. When you're done doing that, it's so important also to use sweetgrass. And sweetgrass is also a protection, and it is also called vanilla grass, holy grass, buffalo grass, and it comes in a braided like piece of grass, which represents love, peace, and harmony. And this is a great thing to do following the smudging, as it brings in good energy and protection within your car. Some people also like to use symbols or stones, symbols like crosses or any type of thing within them that they know they feel more comfortable as being protected. A good stone is to use black tourmaline, as it actually protects you from any negative energy within your car, and it reflects back anything that should not be there. So that would be something good as well. And another thing that I like to recommend is just maybe some lavender or sandalwood, and you can actually use that in, they have car diffusers, you can place that, or just have a spray within your car and spray your car. And when you do this, you will feel so much better, so much lighter, and actually feel like this is your car and you feel safe. And it will be amazing on the difference of what you feel like the moment you go within your car. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate you taking your time to listen to me. Until then, see you soon and have a beautiful day.